These vehicle assembly videos are absolutely taking over Instagram right now. Just look at this page. It has already gained over 12.2 thousand followers simply by posting these vehicle assembly videos, and their uploads are consistently getting thousands of views. In fact, two of their videos have already crossed 1 million views. So today, I'm going to show you the complete workflow step by step. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe if you want more viral AI niches like this. For this method, we are going to use ChatGPT. But not in the way the most people do. We will use a master prompt. If you want the exact master prompt, comment prompt below and I will send it to you. Now copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different vehicle assembly video ideas. For this tutorial, I am choosing idea number 5. You can also enter your own vehicle brand name if you want something specific, or simply type more to generate even more ideas. Once you choose an idea, ChatGPT will generate one complete video prompt that's ready to use. Now copy the prompt, open Google Flow and create a new project. Switch to video mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose OmniFlash, set the duration to 10 seconds, paste the video prompt and click generate. Wait for the render to finish. And that's it. Your AI vehicle assembly video is ready. Now let's watch the final result together. If you want more viral AI niches, AI workflows, and trending content ideas before everyone else discovers them, leave a like, comment the niche you'd like me to cover next, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.